Let us find the factors of 144. Numbers that multiply into each other to give us 144 will also give us the factors of 144. These are 1 multiplied by 144. The result is 144. Other numbers that multiply into each other to give us 144 are as follows. We have 2 multiplied by 72. This will give you 144. 3 multiplied by 48 gives you 144. 4 multiplied by 36 would give us 144. Then we have 6 multiplied by 24 to give us 144. We have 8 also as a factor, and 8 will go how many times? Of course, 8 multiplied by 18 will give us 144. We have 9 multiplied by 16, which will also give us 144. And then we have 12 multiplied by 12 to give us 144. Now, when you think of this, these are all the numbers that when multiplied together will give you 144. And as we have done before, we can use this to obtain all the factors of the number 144 by writing from the left down and then to the right up. That is, the factors of 144 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12. Now, this is 12 again, so we do not repeat the numbers. So we move to the next, which would be 16, 18, 24, 36, 48, 72, and 144. That is, the factors of 144 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16, 18, 24, 36, 48, 72, and 144. Thank you.